Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Pinkalicious Story Time. We were at the book fair, waiting in line. I was going to meet my hero, Princess Plum. I have all of her books. Meet the author of the Princess Plum book. Princess Plum is kind, she is smart. She grants magic wishes and wears a sparkly purple tiara. I love her stories. I hope she signs my book, I told Mommy. I couldn't believe I was going to meet a real princess at last. But when we got to the front of the line, I was very surprised. Instead of a princess, I saw a man. Is Princess Plum a man? I said. I'm Side Silver, the man laughed. I'm the author of Princess Plum. That means I write the books about her. But how can you write about being a magic princess if you aren't one? I asked. When you're an author, you can tell all sorts of stories, said Mr. Silver. Princess Plum is a character I made up. Stories can be about anyone or anything you want. Just use your imagination. The afternoon, I couldn't stop thinking about what Mr. Silver had said. I decided to give it a try. I imagined I could fly, and I wrote about soaring around Pinkville in my story. I made the clouds into cotton candy. After that, I wrote about a tea party with dancing spoons and cups. I wrote about a garden growing under my bed. I wrote about a family of pirates that lives inside a washing machine. I couldn't stop writing. At dinner time, I wrote about broccoli jungle and sweet potato mountains. At bedtime, I wrote about a pair of bunny slippers hopping all over the house. At school on Monday, I came up with more ideas. I wrote them. I was too busy to listen to my teacher, Miss Penny. I was writing about Pink Panda when Miss Penny tapped my shoulder. Pinkalicious, she said. What are you doing? I gulped. I told Miss Penny everything about meeting the author Side Silver and writing stories all day long. I'm sorry for not paying attention, I said. Well, said Mrs. Penny, paying attention is very important, but so is being creative. I think I have an idea. Listen, everybody, said Miss Penny. This week, you are all going to be authors. We will have a special writing time so you can work on your stories. And on Friday, we'll have our own class book festival. At recess, we talked about our ideas. I'm writing about a penguin named Percy, said Molly. I'm writing about a family of giants who lived in the rainforest, said Rose. Alice's books was the biggest surprise. It didn't have any words. She was making a comic book story only with pictures. She worked hard all week. I finished the story about flying through cotton candy clouds. I drew a cover and added an about the author page. Pinkalicious one from Pinkville, I wrote, was from Pinkville. She loves writing, baking cupcakes, and anything pink. Oh, I already said. On Friday, we read our stories out loud. We signed our books. It was so much fun. Before I went home, I told Miss Penny I had one last thing to write. Dear Miss Silver, you may not be a princess who grants wishes, but your books are full of magic. Thank you for helping me see that I am a writer too. Signed by Pinkalicious. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!